Hi, my name is Matt Vogler. I'm the advertising director here at Uebelhor Chevy Cadillac in Jasper, Indiana. And today I'm going to tell you about this 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z-28 pace car, Indianapolis 500 edition. Here at Uebelhor and Sons, classic cars are really part of the culture at the dealership. This car is going to be the third in the series that we're doing on social media. You might have seen the earlier one with our Chevy Roadster and also our early 70s Cheyenne pickup truck. This one is an Indianapolis 500 pace car edition. Pace cars get chosen for a reason at Indy. Usually it's something very innovative or different that year. And the 82 Camaro marks the beginning of the third generation for Camaros. It came out with a 5-liter V8 engine. It had crossfire injection. This car also had T-tops. Kind of gave you the effects of a convertible without the expense and the hassle. Probably the biggest difference in the third generation Camaro was the body style. As you can see on this car, everything's a lot more angular. This was much more of a modern design. This was definitely a trendsetter when it came out, and that's another reason that it was chosen for the pace car. There's always still the spirit of the Camaro. Fun to drive, easy to take around corners, it accelerates quickly, it's a sporty car. Even though this is the third generation, it still keeps all those traits. Well, that wraps it up on the 1982 Camaro Z-28 pace car. We'll be doing more of these videos. We'll continue our series on the Uebelhor Classic Car Collection. If you're ever in the neighborhood, stop by in Jasper at 972 Wernsing Road. We usually have a classic car in the showroom almost at all times. Stop in, have a look. If you like classic cars, they're also fun to look at while you're shopping for a new car. Stop in anytime. We'd love to see you.